Okay, everybody, so let's have a look on how to create a queue list in Baton. So I'm going to select some fixtures. I'm going to press locate 2 times to have exactly the look I need. So perfect. Locate 2 times means that every parameter is thrown to the programmer, so it's active. At this point, I can store directly inside the queue. There it is. Let me press clear. Let me select these other guys here and 2 times locate. Okay, so 2 times locate is activating your parameters and it's putting them in the programmer. Now I'm going to press store again and create a second queue. Then I'm going to clear. Perfect. I'm going to select my other guys here, press 2 times and press the store. Then I'm going to clear everything. I'm going to touch here and I'm going to see that I want to change the name of my queue list. It's called song 1. To see my queues in my queue list, I just touch here. My queue 1, press setup, locate 1 is the name. Select, press setup, locate 2 is the name. Select here, press setup, locate 3 is the name. There it is. I can give individual fade in and fade out for each queue, okay? Or I can select as many as I like. Okay, so here we have a fade in of 2 and a fade out of 2. My priority here is going to be normal. And if you want to work in tracking mode, you just click and you will have a yes, so you're working in tracking mode. Otherwise, you're not working in tracking mode. You can test your queues by pressing the go here, and you can see it's obviously running the queue. You can take up your fader also. So if you want to just look at this, okay. So you got your fader and your queue is running and you can see it in the 3D. If I touch Go Plus, I got my second queue running. If I touch Go Plus, I got my third queue running. And you can see that the queues are respecting the timing because the Go Plus and the Go Minus, in this case, these two buttons, are respecting your fade in and fade outs. The snap goes without respecting the timing, so it's snapping. The snap go minus is going up. The go to is simply going where you want. It's respecting the timing. Go to top goes to top, go to end goes to end. Okay, so you can go back if you want, or you can go with timing if you need. Okay, there it is. If you want to use also the release, you can have the release with timing and the release with no timing. If you need to renumber your queues in a queue list, okay, for example, you want to renumber these two queues and put like 25, okay, there it is. If you want to say no, and I just want everything normal, there it is. Very easy, very simple. And this is how to create a queue list in Baton.